Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set GMC Sierra seats, full guide. Sit in the driver's seat and move the seat fore-aft so you can comfortably reach pedals and steering wheel. Adjust the seat height to level your hips with your knees. Tilt the seat back to support the natural curve of your spine. Use lumbar adjustment to fill the lower back gap for steady comfort on long drives. Check mirrors and headrests after seating adjustments to complete ergonomic setup. Tilt and slide side mirrors to minimize blind spots while keeping your shoulders visible at the mirror edge. Aim the rearview mirror to frame the full rear window for clear visibility. Raise or lower the headrest so its center matches the middle of your head to reduce whiplash risk. Make small tweaks until all sight lines feel natural and secure. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for hands-free music and voice commands while you settle into your new seat setup. It pairs nicely with car routines or home prep before trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your Sierra has power seats, use the controls to make precise adjustments and avoid rushing changes. Save your ideal driver and passenger positions to memory so you can return instantly after others drive. Test heating and cooling features for comfort at different temperatures and while on the road. For multiple drivers, label memory presets by name or number and reset them if clothing or footwear changes alter your driving posture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.